Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a couple of completions that I've done, really cute little fun things, and yeah, I had a lot of fun doing them as well. They were sent to me by the lovely people at ColorfulDiycraft.com, and they were sent to me, I believe, only a few weeks ago, and I just thought, right, I'm going to get in and have a go at doing these because I just love them. Just quick little projects, just something to just sit and do on a night while I'm watching telly. Oh, well, while the television's on. Yeah, I'm not good at actually putting gems on and watching the television, but I can listen to it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we've got our gorgeous little bunny rabbits and Easter sign there, which is stunning. Oh, I haven't taken the backing off. Hang on. Right, I just need to get this white backing off. Look, as I say, most of the anything that comes that's like the acrylic or perspex stands and ornaments have this covering over to stop it scratching. And oh, sorry if you don't like the noise. Oops, just missed a little bit there and a little bit there, and keeps it clean as well. And then you end up with a clear little project, a clear little hanging sign, so you don't get all the whiteness in the background. It does just look like your little bunnies and your little rabbit with your Easter sign just hanging on the wall, freestanding as it were. Let's pop that in my bin. Okay, but yeah, it's just worked up so nicely. I don't want to touch the back now. I don't want to get fingerprints on it. So we've got all your little eggs here with the little flowers, and they're actually little bunnies, look like little painted bunnies just on that egg there, if you can see those. And then all the little flowers and the little dots. Oh, and I love this little chick. Now, actually, I used a different colour on this egg here. We had this darker gold colour that was on like the lettering and highlighting the lettering, and these were actually showing as the same colour as the chick, so I wanted it to stand out a little bit more, so I just swapped out and put the different colour on there just to make it stand out a little bit more. Don't forget, when you're doing these, they are your project, so if you want to change out any colours, you're quite welcome to do so. I mean, you could have done your little rabbit in say a blue pinafore or something, or I think possibly dungarees, because they look like the gardening, don't they, with the carrots. That is a big carrot, and that one's definitely very happy with his big carrot over there as well, and it's got a little flower on it, so that's very pretty. But yeah, I think that's turned out really, really well. And that will be going on my wall for Easter. It has got lights, so I can put lights around it. There's no like little loops or little holes to put the lights through. Sometimes on projects you do get like space out the lights where they suggest that they go. This one would just be a case of wrapping it around the back. I'm not sure, it depends where I put it as to whether I put the lights on or not, but I do tend to swap and change these anyway and put them onto other projects. So, you know, if I've got a different project, or you can use your light if you get, say, if you've got like a jar of like your clear crystals or whatever, if you put those in a vase or a jar or something, you can just intersperse these lights in between so that they're near the edge, so that you can see the lights, but it just makes everything twinkle a little bit. Just a little idea of using up your spare gems. And then we have got the little chain. This does need sealing. I think I am going to seal this one. I've got my little foam pads, so if you don't want to use the chain, you can just use your foam pads on the back. And if you put those behind, say, the bunnies or the chick, I would probably put one on each bunny's head if I was using these. Bear in mind, these are very, very sticky, and whilst they will hold your project on, if you do then want to take your project off, it may mark your wall. Obviously, just be careful, or be aware of that, and be aware of your wallpaper as well. So yeah, but it's one of these very pretty chains, so I will be putting that on, but at the moment, as I say, I want to seal it first and then I'll put the chain on. And once I've got all my Easter things in situ, I will let you see my little Easter decorations and everything. But yeah, I just love that. It's just so cute and so much fun, and yeah, get kids excited as well, not just me. I mean, I'm a big kid anyway, so I get excited about everything. No, tell a lie, I don't get excited about everything. That's to go in my logbook. Oh, that was one gem. We didn't have any extras on those. We had enough, So yeah, that's not a bad thing. It's just that we didn't have any spares. I do like my spares, but anyway, I've got probably far too many spares. What can I say? So I've got our silvers left over there. I've got some of the, oh, I love that amber colour. Well, it's orange, isn't it? Amber. It's your carrot colour. And the fresh green, gold. And then that's your pale pink. We've got a couple of little marquees there that need to go in our specials. We've got a very yellow. As I say, that was the colour of the duck, and then that was the colour of the egg. And I just, rather than using all of that one, I swapped those out. Then we've got the lovely hot pink. I didn't use the black because I do have a little bag of black that I keep near my workstation. So rather than opening these and using them, I just used the ones that I already had open. So they will be going into my crystal colour matched box. So I'll sort those out later. And then these are just a few of the little specials left over. Oh, it looks like we didn't have any of those either. Yeah, so there was 2 colours that we only just had the right amount of gems. But, I mean, that's fine. You know, as long as you've got enough to do your project, that's all you need. Spares are a bonus. Yay, we like the spares. Okay, so I'll pop those on one side for now. And we'll have a look at the other little project I did. And this was the little froggy key ring. Just in time for St. Patrick's Day. I do think he's like a St. Patrick's Day frog because he's got like... the leprechauns tend to wear hats like that, don't they? And we have got a little 4-leaf clover there as well. But I think he came out really cute and sparkly, and he's double-sided, and then he's got a really good substantial keychain on him with a bell. So he's a froggy with a little bell, so I can let you know when he's coming. Yay! I must do the wild mouth frog joke sometime for you. If you've not heard it, it's really, really funny. But you've got to, I would have to actually be facing the camera to do that because you've got to see the actions to it as well. But I will get it done one day. But yeah, so it always makes me think of the wide mouth frog joke whenever I see a frog. Okay, just to go in my little logbook. Don't think we had any specials on this one. Again, I didn't open the black because I had my little packet of black already open. We've got the crystals to go in my crystal jar. And then, yeah, seeing plenty of everything left over. Really quick, nice little project to do. And I do like these bigger keychains. Quite nice as like a bag charm or something. Okay, so that's him there. So let's grab my jars. And this is my black jar with my spares in. And put these in. As I said, I didn't open the bags because it seems silly just for a couple of gems just to open a packet and then have to then transfer them into a bag. I might as well just keep them in the bags and then just put them in with my big spares jar. Da, da, da. That's getting fuller and fuller. We've gone past the neck of the jar now. Look, we're creeping up. We're about here on it, so we're creeping up the stem of it. Okay, and then, oops, the crystals. Just want these and put these away. I think I'm going to have to spend a day sealing as well. I've been doing a lot of special drill projects because I want to get some of my special drills and my little ornaments and hanging signs and things out of the way so that I can then carry on with my 30 by 40 challenge in April. Details coming soon. Right, let me just grab my special drills. Oops, let's pop that one. Just pop out the way, bunnies. Hop out the way. The frog can hop out the way as well. Okay, right. Grab a tray. We don't want to be losing any. Okay, so this is my special shapes. So anything I've got left over that's bigger than a normal round or is a different shape, I pop into here, and I've got them all categorised out into colour, so black, pink, white, whatever, and then they go in categories of large round, marquees, teardrops, and then miscellaneous, which is flowers and stars and all those other things as well. And I have actually put my label on it now as well, so it does actually stay special shapes on my box, so I know which one it is. I'm finally getting things organised a little bit. Oh dear, whether it'll stay like this, I don't know. So we've got silver marquees, we've got red teardrops, we've got silver rounds, and we've got one silver marquee there. Oh no, that's a different size. So mainly in silver then. And silver, silver, silver. That's gold. Where's silver? Does just want to... silver's here. This just want tidying up a little bit more. It's a little bit untidy for me, but it's taken me a while to sort of sort it out. I've had to put the colours in different orders as well so that they would all fit, because at one time I did have like white and silver and gold, but they didn't all fit in one row, so I've had to move them around a little bit so that I could get them all in how I wanted them. So we've got some round silver, so we'll have a look for those first. So we're in silver and we're looking in large rounds, and they don't have a coating on, they are just faceted rounds. So they've got a coating, they've got a coating. They look like they could be a large round there. They look a little bit smaller. They are definitely smaller. They are... oh, they're a mixed bag. Oh my goodness, have I got two mixed bags then? Yes, I've got two mixed bags of those, so I'm going to keep those out. I may sit and do those tonight actually. And I think that's a mixed bag as well. Oh, I've done really well with the silvers. I've just gone willy-nilly putting them all in, haven't I? Completely muddled them all up. So yeah, I've got small and large in there, large and medium in there, and small. Oh, that might all be small. Let me have a look. No, they are all small, so that's good. So they're not mixed, so I can put those back. So I do make mistakes. Now then, they are actually a slightly bigger size than those. Yeah, they're all the same size, so that's the correct size. So I'm actually going to, because these are all needing separating, yeah, I'm going to keep those out, and I'm going to start a new bag with the correct size in, and then I'll know that I've got the two sizes. Well, that's the theory anyway, and I can try, can't I? Oh dear. Right. Okay, so then we want marquees. Hopefully I haven't done the same thing with the marquees. They're those, they're not those. So let's have a look in here. So we've got like a little sort of, that one's iridescent coated. I'm not sure that they are. So let me look. Could possibly... that could be one of those. We'll have a look. Could be one of those as well. That's just the plain silver, but that one's got an iridescent coating. So let's have a look and see which one matches up. Okay. Right, so is that one? No, that's a slightly smaller size, so it isn't that one. Okay. So is it that one? Ooh. Has it got, yes, it has got an iridescent coating on it. Yeah, I think it's that one. Okay, it just depends on the day as to whether I think it matches or not. It matches today. Okay, so that's marquees. And then let's have a look at this. I think, yeah, it's that one. Because they're like a grey colour. They're like a very grey silver. Okay, it might just be the lighting. Brilliant lighting today, I have to say. We're doing our best with what we've got, which is all you can ask. And it's just one little tiny little marquee all on its own, which could have been very easily lost, but we managed to corral him into a bag and save him. And then lastly we want red. So where's red? Red's there. And it's a teardrop. So let's have a look in red teardrops. These are getting really full. So they're not sort of like sitting flat on the bottom anymore. And I think that could be that one if it's the same size. Yes, it is. So I'm going to have to try and thin them all out a little bit. Just sort them all out a little bit more. A few too many. But I'm just like a magpie. I just love collecting shiny, pretty things. What can I say? I have a house full of shiny pretties. Okay, so that's those put away as well. So just a quick completion review with my lovely little Easter sign, which is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That is so cute. Those two little bunnies. Trying still not to put my finger marks on it because it's all nice and clean and shiny. And then our little froggy, all ready for St. Patrick's Day at the end of the week. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Big thank you to ColorfulDiy.com for sending me these. Do go and check out their website. There's lots of special offers on at the moment. If you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, you can do that by pressing that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, and then you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.